Can you say this simple word correctly? It's pronounced.
Passion.
Let's break it down.
This word feels powerful but is actually simple. The correct way is passion. Start with pash, like saying cash with a P, and end with a soft un. Together, passion. Now, let's practice 3 times. Ready? Passion. 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 Did you feel the energy in the word? If yes, you just gave real voice to passion.
Got it? Let's practice it together. Repeat after me.
Passion. 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 Passion.
Now it's your turn. Drop a comment if you nailed it or if you need more tips. Subscribe for more pronunciation guides. And here's a fun challenge. Record yourself, post it, and tag us.